Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make steak and shake Frisco sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for being here. We appreciate you watching. Like I said, we're going to be making steak and shake Frisco sauce. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are. We've got 1 tablespoon of mayo, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, half a teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a tablespoon of sweet relish, half a teaspoon of sriracha, 1/4 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, half a teaspoon of dry mustard, 1/4 teaspoon of celery seed, half a teaspoon of paprika, and a half a teaspoon of onion powder. Let's start mixing it up. Alright, get yourself a bowl large enough for all the ingredients. We're going to start out with our mayonnaise. Our ketchup. Our sugar. Olive oil. Then our Worcestershire relish. Sriracha. Paprika. Dry mustard, onion salt, garlic salt, celery seed, and our red wine vinegar. We're just going to mix all of this up really well. There it is. We're going to bowl this up, put some fries next to it, come back and give it a taste. Don't go anywhere. Alright, let's give this a taste. Looks good. You can see how it sticks right to those fries. You can see everything in there. Let's give it a taste. A little smokiness from that paprika. Earthiness, savoriness from that Worcestershire sauce. A little bit of heat from that sriracha. Yeah, smoky though. That's one thing I'm getting at, is the smokiness. Now, as you can tell, if you're smart and you're paying attention to the ingredients, you're going to know this is basically Thousand Island and French dressing put together with a couple more elements in it, like the savoriness and the heat. And that's basically what it is. I broke down the recipe, kind of ground it down, put all the recipes in there, or the ingredients in there that are from French dressing and from the Thousand Island, and then added the 2 elements to give you this. So the recipe will be in the description box below or in the first pinned comment. And this sauce does go on the steak and shake Frisco melt sandwich, but it is apparently, from what you see here, very good on fries as well. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you again next time.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.